Alright, if you're like me, you've got some drills that just lie around in the way. So I've decided I'm going to make a holder for them. I got some 4-inch PVC pipe. They're about a foot long. And I figure cut a notch in it for the handle to slip into. And then I'll mount them someplace and keep them out of the way. So let's get this going here. Gonna get this cut. Plain and simple, just using a handsaw for it. Got that far. That looks good. Score it so maybe it'll snap off easy. Just like that. Take the file and smooth the edges up some. Perfect. Something like that ought to work. Then the handle will slide into it. Should work something like this. This is hanging on the shelf or something. Take it, slide it in. There you go. I made it long enough because my drills have got cords on them. That way I can stuff the cords inside it. Alright, I got 4 of them made. Now just clean them up, and then I'll get them mounted on the board and get them on the wall. And there it is. Plain and simple. Screwed to the shelf. Slide the drills right on in. Off to the next project.